What's up everybody, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Okay, on today's tutorial, she will teach we're gonna be teaching you the song called Your Ways Better by Forrest, Bryan. Okay, this one, I really like this one, especially the chorus. The chorus one is not my choreography, I just copy it. I don't know who's the original choreographer, but shout out to you. So, let's start. So after chorus, this is the short version because the original one, the long version, have the ballad in the beginning. So anyway, you will not hear it. So it goes like this: 7. The count is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. It's quite fast, but you just slow it down. So it goes like 7 back, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. My count is wrong. 7 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this is 7, 8. One more time. I told you, this is my teacher. So 5, 6, 7, and go. Again, 7 and 1. So left back, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, that's simple. From here, 7, 8, quick. Back, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Back, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So maintain your arm here. 7 and 8. Okay? One more time. 7, 8. Back, 1, 2. This is right, left. It's quick. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Alright, go back. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And she's playing again. Okay, let's try it first. 5, 6 from the top. 2, 8, 6, 7, and then 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again from the top. 6. Wow, so balanced. So 6, 7, 7 back. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 back. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next for this one, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So right, left back. 1 and 2, wave 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, and 8. So close on 8 and have music again. So 5, 6, we go 7. It's okay. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Right? Down 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hope you can hear my voice. Let's continue. I cannot wait. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So roll 5, 6, 7. You turn on 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Until there. If we wait, we'll finish later. For 20 minutes more. So let's start from here. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, back. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the last one, 3, 4, kick quick. 5 and 6, and then 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go back. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, one more time. That's the whole stanza choreography. So let's try from here. So 7 and 8. 1 and 2, wait, 3, 4 down, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Quick! 5 and 6. Rush and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Let's try everything from the beginning before we go to chorus part. So 5, 6, and 7, and then 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6. No, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Alright, and press 7, 8. 1, 2, to the back. 5, 6, 7. Alright, now we go to chorus. Chorus, this one is someone else's choreography, but I really like this one. So this is very simple. You go like this. Lord, I need you now together. No, I don't sing. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So this has so many versions. So we go on my version, but it's the same choreography. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pull it, roll, and pull it like that. So 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull it and then pull it and. Okay, then side. 1, 2, hard. 3, 4, and then 5, and 6, and 8. 5, 6, and 8. Okay, we go like singing. 7, and I need you now. Da, 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 da. My heart get together. And. Okay, you can just stay there or forever. Together, you can put together. And the next, you gotta turn that 1, 2, and 5, 6, cha cha cha. So it's like there's a reverse. 1 and 2, then cha cha cha. So basically it goes like this. I need to go closer because it's too noisy. 7, and I need you now. Get together to the side and hard and together. Actually, we put it together so you don't feel lost. Go together. Okay, and then 1, 2, and da da cha cha cha. Next, jump. 1, cross that 2, reverse 3, and 4. Then you can do ad-lib here. Cha and ad-lib. And that's it. Okay? Don't make sure you don't turn like this. Okay? Cannot go back so fast. Like her. So just like this. 7 and then and then you can add it. Okay? Let's do the chorus part. 5, 6, 7. Lord, I need you now, 'cause together hold my heart together. And and add it. Yes! Now let's try everything from the beginning with the noisy neighborhood. Because I still have another studio. See? There. That room. I'll show you, huh? Why it's noisy? There. Let's do it from the beginning. Okay? So 5, 6, 7. We go from here up to the beginning. Stands at the chorus. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, side, 1, and 2, 3, 4, down, 6, shoulder, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn, stop, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, get ready to chorus, 5, 6, 7, and I need you now to the back, roll back, side, hard, together, forever. 1, 2, hop, rock first back, and ad-lib, yeah! Good job! Okay, let's start with music.